Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python for Beginners series. Today we are going to learn one of the most important fundamental of programming, variables and data types. Now what is variable? Think of a variable like a container or a box where you can store a value like number, name or true or false answer. Just like you label a lunchbox with your name. In Python, we given names to these containers and that's what a variable is. For the example, name, age, name and height are variables and each one store a different kind of values. Now what is data type? So different type of data are stored in variables. Let's look at the most common ones in Python. Integer, which store a whole number, not decimal but a whole number. Float, numbers with decimals. And string, text inside quotes. Boolean, only true or false. Let's look at the real life example. Imagine filling out a form. So we have to give a details like name, age, height and one more attribute is a student. The above four variables store different kind of values. So this is how different data types help us to store meaningful information in variables. One pro tip, Python is smart. It automatically figure out the data type when you assign a value to a variable. You don't have to declare it manually. So that's it for this part. In the next video, we will explore operators, the tool Python uses to perform actions. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.